French fries are a delectable treat, and they're actually very easy to make in your convection oven. The first thing to do is to take your baking potatoes, peel them and cut them into French fry kind of shape, and then put them in a bowl of water for about 15 minutes to get some of that excess starch out. And then you're going to dry them off before adding them to the oven. Now, rather than tossing the potatoes in oil, I like to put the oil in the oven on a tray and heat it up first. And that's where those full extension racks in our ovens really come in handy, because we can safely move that hot tray with the hot oil in and out. I actually had some duck fat in my freezer, so these are duck fat fries, but obviously any heat tolerant oil or even olive oil works well for this. So my oven is only 24 inches, and it's also very powerful. So I used 400 degrees for 25 minutes, and then I turned the fries, cooked them for another 10 minutes. So the total cooking time was 35 minutes. Larger capacity ovens, you may want to increase the temperature to 425. Any higher, well, you might risk uneven cooking. The benefit of convection is, of course, the circulating heated air helps keep the moisture in the food whilst they're getting nice and crispy. Honestly, they taste amazing, and we haven't even added the seasoning. Convection roast mode is the way to go. And place your tray lower down in the oven, close to that bottom heat source for that extra bit of power. Easy, delicious, anyone can do it. Hi, I'm Larissa, your convection enthusiast. Convection cooking can make you a better cook. Check out my videos, and I think you'll find that you'll do really, really well. And please like and subscribe.